I you can find yeah. See, no. Cute. He's so cute. Yeah, very good. A lot of things. Look at mom's books. Yeah, mom has a bunch of books. This is her stuff. I'm going to put in. Yeah. So, I don't know. I'm the middle. This is no bunch of stuff. Right now, I have a brace. So, don't watch me. Go back to practice. Joking.